Recently, Unitree sold thousands of their G1 humanoid robots and is now launching the R1 models under $5,000 in 2027. It sounds futuristic and extremely promising, but take a look at what the Unitree G1 robots are actually doing inside your home. They try to navigate on their own, but instead they keep crashing into mirrors and collapsing amidst the shards. There's no denying that whether it's a spring-loaded bug or a digital AI existentialist, the end result is still robotic comedy, as it can't even recognize its own reflection. Meanwhile, check out the Tesla bot dancing alongside Elon Musk at the 2025 shareholders meeting, moving with astonishingly smooth professional precision. Some even joked that Elon Musk himself seemed to copy the bot moves. Although this is only the experimental 2.5 version, its ability to learn from video allows it to observe and mimic human actions incredibly naturally. Without mistakes, Elon Musk confirmed that the retail version will launch in the first quarter 2026 with the latest Tesla bot Gen 3 design with the world's most advanced AI brain. It will be capable of self-learning and expanding its task capacity, not limited to 3,000 tasks for Gen 3, and potentially doubling to 6,500 tasks in the Gen 4 and 5 versions.
If Optimus can watch videos, YouTube videos or how-to videos or whatever, and based on that video, just like a human can, learn how to do that thing, then you really have task extensibility that is dramatic, because then it can learn anything very quickly. So I think we'll get there in the next.
So, how much will the retail Gen 3 version cost? Can it stay at home to cook, wash dishes, or clean the house while you're at work? Welcome to Tesla Car World. You might not believe it, but a robot that can learn on its own, even just by watching videos, can cook any dish, clean the house, fix plumbing, and even be funny enough to dance like a professional dancer. With its highly advanced AI brain, it can fully learn a new skill in just a few minutes, while it would take humans weeks or even months. Sounds a bit scary, right? But even crazier, at the 2025 Tesla annual shareholders meeting, Elon Musk announced that the Tesla bot will help end hunger and could even completely replace surgeons in the near future.
Optimus will actually eliminate poverty. Optimus will actually give people incredible medical care.
Musk's ambitions go even further. He has outlined Tesla's most audacious production goal yet. Optimus Gen 4 is planned for release in 2027, and Gen 5 is expected in 2028, with a manufacturing line capable of producing 1 million robots annually in Fremont, scaling up to 10 million, then 100 million, and ultimately, potentially even on Mars, 1 billion robots per year. It may sound far-fetched, but Musk is serious, emphasizing that this is not just a pipe dream. Tesla is preparing for the fastest production ramp of any large, complex manufactured product in history. Recently, Tesla released a series of new demo videos showing Optimus performing a wide range of tasks impressively, further reinforcing its potential as an excellent household assistant, an autonomous worker, and a professional-level doctor. This has sparked great excitement and anticipation for its official launch. According to Tesla engineers using only a single neural network, Optimus has demonstrated performing household chores such as sweeping, cooking, using a microwave, vacuuming, and picking up trash. It has also shown the ability to sort parts in factories, on automotive accessory production lines, and in Tesla's battery manufacturing facilities. What's truly impressive, and what most people probably missed in the videos, is that Optimus can now operate independently with both hands, instead of just one as before. This means each hand can simultaneously handle two completely different tasks without being limited to pre-programmed motions. For example, it could stir soup in a pot with one hand while washing vegetables in the sink with the other. This is a major step forward, showing that it can handle coordinated movements and more complex motor control, even though its hands currently don't have 22 degrees of freedom. According to Elon Musk, the Gen 3 hands, which will be released early next year, will finally come equipped with these magical hands. Using both hands requires a significantly higher level of coordination compared to using just one. Previously, Optimus mainly relied on a single hand to perform simple tasks, such as picking up objects or sorting components. Now, it can process and respond to signals from both hands simultaneously, much like how humans naturally coordinate their left and right hands. This means the AI software has to calculate and optimize the movements of both hands in real time, avoiding collisions, maintaining balance, and ensuring smooth operation. So just imagine what it could do with fully articulated 22 degree of freedom hands. The next demo videos are going to be incredibly exciting. One of the biggest breakthroughs shown in Tesla's recent update video is how Optimus learns new tasks. Instead of relying on traditional methods like motion capture, where humans wear sensors to demonstrate every movement, or using remote control, where someone operates the robot from a distance, Tesla has taken a much smarter approach. They simply let Optimus watch videos of humans performing tasks, and it figures out how to do them on its own. It's like going on YouTube to learn how to fix a leaking pipe or make a pizza. With Optimus, it all starts with simple tasks, like taking out the trash, pulling curtains, stirring a pot, or using a vacuum. Like humans, Optimus can fully learn new skills, actions, and tasks, as long as it's shown how to do them. Amazing, right? For example, if you want Optimus to learn how to cook a steak, Tesla will provide it with a video of a chef preparing the dish. Then, in a simulated environment, Optimus will practice cooking that steak billions of times, experimenting with different ways of cutting, seasoning, and cooking. Each time it makes a mistake, the AI adjusts and improves. Once it reaches an almost perfect success rate, say 99%, Optimus is ready to perform the task in real life. This type of training allows it to learn much faster than traditional methods. Now, if you prefer hands-on learning, you can actually teach Optimus directly, especially if you own one. Beyond just providing videos, you can guide it to perform tasks in real time. As mentioned earlier, Optimus Gen 3 is expected to debut in the first quarter of next year. Unlike a typical robot, it is designed to look more like a human wearing a robot suit, and Elon Musk emphasizes that you really have to poke it to believe it's a robot. This indicates an extremely high level of sophistication, with nearly all the lines and details of the model concealing wires, drive systems, and joints. Musk has previously hinted that its movements will be exceptionally natural, fluid, and almost indistinguishable from a human's. Additionally, rumors suggest that Tesla Bot 3 will feature an electronic OLED display on its face, integrate Grok voice control, and possess hands that are remarkably human-like. Recent reports about Tesla Optimus Gen 4 indicate that rather than redesigning its appearance, the focus will be on internal technical improvements to enhance efficiency and achieve higher performance standards. While Generation 4's outward design largely mirrors that of Generation 3, the upgrades promise significant functional differences. Specifically, Gen 4's operational time will nearly double, increasing from 7 hours to 12 hours. This allows the robot to work longer without needing a recharge, a critical factor for maximizing productivity, especially in industrial settings. Moreover, Gen 4 will move considerably faster, improving its agility and responsiveness in tasks that demand both precision and speed. This not only boosts work efficiency, but also makes the robot more versatile in scenarios requiring quick action. Notably, Gen 4's hands will be far more dexterous than those of Gen 3, enabling it to handle high-precision tasks such as assembling tiny components or performing intricate manipulations. For instance, while Genesis 3 might be able to fetch a beer from the fridge, Genesis 4 could open the bottle and pour it for you, demonstrating a tangible difference in capability. With these enhancements, the price of Optimus Gen 4 is expected to $30,000 higher than Gen 3. This is reasonable given the advanced features and upgrades it offers. Elon Musk has made a bold prediction. Once Tesla reaches a production milestone of over 1 million units per year, the cost per Optimus robot could drop to around $20,000. If achieved, this could spark a genuine revolution in robotics and automation. At that price, Optimus could become a fixture in homes and businesses, performing a wide range of tasks, from industrial labor to healthcare, hospitality, and even assisting the elderly or disabled. With his characteristic sense of humor, Musk even suggested that instead of sending criminals to jail, society could give them a free Optimus robot to monitor and prevent them from committing crimes. So how could Tesla Bot Optimus help stop crime? At Tesla's 2025 annual shareholder meeting in November, CEO Elon Musk unveiled a bold and controversial idea: using humanoid robots to monitor people convicted of crimes as an alternative to traditional prison sentences. This concept positions the Tesla Optimus not just as a tool for industrial automation, but as a potential game changer in how society addresses criminal behavior. While the idea sounds futuristic, understanding how a Tesla bot could theoretically prevent crime requires looking at both its advanced technology and the broader societal implications of such use. Musk's proposal centers on providing individuals leaving prison with a free Optimus robot that would accompany them at all times, preventing criminal activity before it happens. Essentially, this would turn the robot into an intelligent humanoid system capable of observing, intervening, and deterring crime in real time. This approach represents a major departure from traditional law enforcement, which relies on reactive policing, incarceration, and rehabilitation programs. Instead, Musk is proposing a preventative model, one where an AI-powered robot could intervene at the exact moment someone might be tempted to commit a crime. The idea is not only to reduce recidivism, but also to create a more humane alternative to mass incarceration by addressing the root of criminal behavior directly. The Tesla Optimus Gen 3, scheduled for release starting in 2026, brings this vision to life with advanced capabilities. Equipped with 8 high-resolution cameras, it delivers 360-degree vision and processes roughly 576 megapixels of visual data every second. This allows Optimus to maintain continuous awareness of its surroundings, with positioning accuracy about 20 times greater than most industrial robots, down to 0.05 degrees. Its sensors support complex object recognition, depth perception up to 50 meters, and specialized thermal imaging for low light or night vision. With a reaction time of just 3 milliseconds faster than human reflexes, Optimus can respond instantly to changes in the environment or suspicious behavior. Beyond mere observation, Optimus incorporates features that would theoretically allow crime prevention through direct intervention. The robot features advanced dexterous manipulation capabilities, with 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, enabling it to physically intervene by restraining individuals, removing weapons, or physically preventing criminal acts. The robot's autonomous charging system, utilizing computer vision for precision docking and Tesla's proprietary charging port, ensures continuous operation across full 24-hour cycles without requiring external human support. This autonomous power management represents a critical advantage for continuous surveillance applications, as the robot would never require downtime for charging, remaining constantly vigilant. The combination of continuous operation, precise motion execution, advanced vision systems, and dexterous manipulation creates a platform theoretically capable of detecting and preventing criminal behavior before or as it occurs. Which jobs could be displaced by Tesla Bot Gen 4 and 5 in the future? While Tesla Optimus is generating a great deal of excitement, there are also significant concerns surrounding its potential implications, particularly in the labor market. Beyond the fact that the practical usefulness of Optimus remains largely unproven, many people are uneasy about the broader risks associated with humanoid robots. Popular culture has long portrayed robots as entities that may not only assist humans, but could eventually challenge or even dominate us. Films such as Terminator and I, Robot have imprinted this notion in public consciousness, portraying scenarios where intelligent machines go rogue and threaten humanity's very survival. Even Elon Musk, one of the foremost advocates of advanced AI and robotics, has publicly warned that highly intelligent machines could pose a danger if misused, potentially surpassing the destructive power of nuclear weapons. His vision for Tesla Optimus, however, emphasizes safety and control. The robot is intended to operate under strict system supervision, designed to be friendly and predictable, avoiding the dystopian outcomes often dramatized in movies. Yet, despite these assurances, the primary concern for most people is not a science fiction scenario of robots turning against humanity. Instead, there is a growing anxiety that Optimus could fundamentally disrupt employment. Unlike AI purely confined to software, Optimus is a humanoid robot capable of performing physical labor, which means that its deployment could directly replace human workers in various industries. Elon Musk has been candid about this possibility. As far back as 2016, he predicted that robots will take your jobs. The government will have to pay your wage, highlighting the real economic implications of advanced automation. Tesla has ambitious plans for Optimus production. By the end of next year, the company expects to have several thousand units operating within its own factories. By 2026, production is anticipated to scale significantly.